Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion reaction itong latest post ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez. 1 hour ago, ito nga po, sabi niya, "For the nation, name the power." Para sa bansa, pangalanan muna. Ito, isinare ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez ang post ni Senator Panfilo Lacson tungkol sa isang congressman at mga senador na bilyon-bilyon ang kanilang pork barrel. Okay, sabi ni Senator Lacson, Senator Panfilo Lacson has exposed the alleged multi-billion peso pork barrel allocation of some lawmakers, with one congressman receiving as much as 15 billion. So ito by Mayla Agar, reporter, inquirer.net. So, dito, article ito sa inquirer.net. So, kuha natin na. So, ito, nahanap ko na sa inquirer.net, yung article. Lacson, ang title is, Lacson, Congressman gets 15 billion pork. Some senators receive 5 billion to 10 billion. Posted 5 hours ago. Okay, basahin ko ha. Senator Panfilo Lacson has exposed the alleged multi-billion peso pork barrel allocation of some lawmakers, with one congressman receiving as much as 15 billion. In fairness, kay Senator Lacson, ito ang kanyang forte. Specialization niya mula pa noon. Yung unang mga term niya. And saludo ako sa kanya. Marunong siya sa pag-research, pag-determine yung mga pork barrel allocation na yan. At salamat itong expose niya. Kaya ang problema, sino? Dapat pangalanan. Okay. He noted that before the Priority Development Assistance Fund, or PDAP, also known as pork barrel, was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, senators had only 200 million in pork, while members of the House of Representatives have 70 million. Sabi niya, well, after it was declared unconstitutional, there are now senators with 5 billion, some even with 10 billion. And there's a congressman with as much as 15 billion, Lacson said in an interview on One News late Wednesday, kahapon, One News. It has been 12 years since the Supreme Court declared PDAP unconstitutional in 2013. Before ending his last term in the Senate in 2022, Lacson said he and then Senator Franklin Drilon succeeded in removing the budgets for dredging and flood control projects, which he described as the root cause of corruption. Tama na sapul. Ano yung ipinagmalaki sa SONA? Meron na tayong natapos 5,500 flood control projects at marami pang ginagawa. Malakpak. 2 days na fact-check ng Katrina. Ito sinasabi ni Ping Lacson. Natanggal nila budgets for dredging and flood control projects, source of corruption. Yun ang ipinagmalaki sa SONA. Ano ngayong SONA this year? Ipagmamalaki ulit ang mga flood control projects? Naging 10,000 na? O na-overwhelm? Sabi Lacson, we succeeded in removing them in the BICAM before we turned out in 2022. Now they're back with a vengeance. Salamat po, Senator Lacson. At kahit hindi ko kayo binoto, alam kong makakatulong. Alam niyo, kung hindi nasama sa alyansa si Senator Lacson, ibuboto ko sana. Or, kung hindi nila inimpeach si BP Sara at hindi nila dinala sa Netherlands si Tatay Digong, gusto kong iboto. Kasi nga, itong crusade niya ng anti-pork barrel, kailangan natin. Pero billions of pesos, ginagawa lang pork barrel, declared na nga unconstitutional. Okay, in the same interview, Senator disclosed his initial findings from his scrutiny of the 2025 national budget. Yun, isa siya nagsabi na most corrupt budget itong 2025. Pinag-aaralan niya. He said, one item in the budget showed that a very small barangay in a small town received 1.9 billion allocation. Small barangay in a small town. Saan kaya ito ba? Dapat maibigay sa atin ang detalye. While another small town was allotted a 10 billion budget. So flood control na naman ito. Imagine, sabi niya, a 10 billion appropriation for a small town with 10,000 residents. It is an inequitable distribution of the budget. Kumanda kayo kay Senator Lacson ngayon. Sabi niya, I will seek clarification on this. What happened to the 10 billion appropriated to this small town? Wow! Sana may bulgar na ano yung small town with 10 billion budget. We saw that it is near a riverbank. Ito na, flood control. Riverbank, but it is the only town, but is it the only town with a riverbank? Ang dami. These appropriations are for flood control. Oh, sige, pagmayabang niyo pa ang flood control. Lacson, who plans to start the 20th Congress up and running, is scrutinizing the items in the budgets for 2023, 2024, and 2025. Kabahan na kayo kay Senator Lacson. At saludo tayo kay Senator Lacson. Magbasa tayo mga comments. Jericho Angulo. Ngayon po ang tamang oras upang ipahayag nyo ang mga ito. Sigaw nila last year kay BP Sara. Akusasyon sa impeachment ay public trust and accountability. O ngayon, tama? Ano yan? 10 billion. Isang napakalit na bayan. Tapos, isang congressman. Grabe. 15 billion. Lucky Oriares. Name it. Magkaalaman na. I believe mapapangalan ito. Maiimbestigan ito. So, maghintay lang tayo. Salamat, Senator Lacson.